Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. I have been asked to provide an overview of all of the proceedings that remain between now and trial in Idaho versus Kohberger. To best address that question, I'm relying on the information that appears on the case summary page maintained by the Ada County Clerk of Court. If you go to page 100, you will see the following. The July 21st hearing that is listed as canceled and vacated, that appears to have been an error for a hearing that never was scheduled. It was never tied to anything, no court order. It wasn't listed on the pretrial and trial order. There was no notice of hearing, nothing to explain what this July 21st hearing was. It was listed here for a very long time, and it's only within this past month that it was canceled and vacated. The next item that we see after that July 21st entry is something that was just scheduled yesterday, the 26th. It appears on the scheduling order that the court filed. It's an amended scheduling order. It's on the docket. And this is the first time that the public was given notice of this hearing. That is a 5-day proceeding. It's only between the court and counsel, and it is beginning on the 28th of July at 8:30 a.m. And it's going to run according to both the case summary page and the amended scheduling order for a full 5 days. It's a sealed proceeding. It is closed. There is no indication what the purpose is for this proceeding. It's coming very close to voir dire, which is the next item on this case summary page. Voir dire is now scheduled to occur Monday, August 4th. To give an indication of how further unusual having a 5-day proceeding is, I cannot recall any time in the case where there was anything that was scheduled for 5 days, except for the canceled preliminary hearing that had been set in January of 2023 to occur in June of 2023. The preliminary hearing was scheduled for 5 days. It was canceled in May once the indictment came down. And then the final thing that we see here after voir dire is the jury trial, which is scheduled to occur August 18th, 2025, commencing at 8:30 a.m. Caveat being, the amended scheduling order states that this is an approximate date. In further exploring what is yet to occur in the case, Mr. Kohberger was arrested in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. There has been a substantial amount of activity recently in the case, styled as Commonwealth versus Kohberger, 682 MD 2022. You can review the documents online. Beginning in June of 2025, specifically the 4th of June, we started to see items pop up here that indicated the defense was seeking several lay witnesses from Pennsylvania to appear at the forthcoming trial to serve as Mr. Kohberger's witnesses. There is a hearing coming up on Monday, June 30th, and this is for several witnesses. They have been court ordered to appear to show cause why they should not be ordered to go across the country and appear as Mr. Kohberger's witnesses at trial. There is also a hearing that is scheduled to occur for one witness. Her hearing is scheduled for July 7th, 2025. If there's any further developments, if there's anything else that is scheduled between now and the next hearing in Idaho, the 5-day hearing that we just talked about, I will, of course, notify you. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.